Hello guys, this is Anna for Tech Kid Learning and you are watching Tech Kid YouTube channel. So today we will be discussing bold, italic and underlined text tags in HTML. So bold text tag is used to bold the text, and the italic text tag is used to make the text italic, and the underlined text tag is used to underline the text. So we write them as B for bold text, I for italic text and U for underlined text. So let's learn how to use them. Open your code editor and open a new window by pressing Ctrl+ and now write or paste the skeletal code. So first let's start with bold text. Just write bold as a separate tag first and write any text that you want to bold. Let's write example of bold text. Now after reading close the bold tag by writing /B in angular brackets. So now let's save it by pressing Ctrl+S and now let's give it a name. Like let's name it bold.html. Now after naming and saving the file, go to the search option in the start button and search for the file name. Wait till the results come and then click on the file name. The output will appear on the screen in your browser. So you get the bold text. Now just minimize the output window for convenience. So now let's learn how to use italic text tag. Just write italic as a separate tag as I first and write any text that you want to write in italic. Let's write example of italic text. Now after reading close the italic tag by writing /I in angular brackets. So now let's save it by pressing Ctrl+S, then open the minimized window of the file and reload the page. As you can see that the text has been changed in italic text. So now let's learn how to use underlined text tag. Just write U as a separate tag first and write any text that you want underline. Let's write example of underlined text. Now after reading close the underline tag by writing /U in angular brackets. So now let's save it by pressing Ctrl+S, then open the minimized window of the file and reload the page. As you can see that the text has been changed in underlined text. So I will end this video here. So please like, share, and if you are new to the channel please subscribe and don't forget to set the bell icon to all.